What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Caden. This is my channel. We do all sorts of cool things here on this channel, but today we're going to be building a new PC. Now, if you remember, I did build myself a PC a couple years ago. I'll link that video down in the description, and you probably also saw I just posted a video of a quick time lapse of me helping my friend Jacob build a very similar PC to this one. So if you've checked those out, thank you for watching. If not, once again, those will be down there in the description for you to check out. Let me show you guys what kind of parts we got. So starting with the CPU, we got an AMD Ryzen 5800X. For the graphics card, we have a GeForce RTX 3080 Ti, 12 gigabyte. For the motherboard, I chose MSI B550 Gaming Plus. Pretty good motherboard for AMD. And then for the CPU fan, I got the Hypercooler Master RGB. I got an 850 watt power supply, Corsair. We got the Samsung 970 EVO Plus SSD. And finally, we got the Corsair Vengeance 32 gigabyte RGB RAM. And then for the what's housing it all for the case, we have an NZXT H10 Flow. I think it's a fairly newer case. It's the standard H10 that I've built last video. I built my previous PC a couple years ago. This is just the upgraded version. It has an additional fan in there and a couple of extra dust filters just to keep everything nice and clean in there. So that's what we're casing it in. And just a quick note, I did do a quick custom paint job on this. I am going to be matching the color style of Venom, as you noticed in the thumbnail, probably the Venom Funko Pop that's going to live in this bad boy, hence the name, the Venom, all these Venom themed things. I spray painted the metal pink, so it was just black in there. They make a white one as well, you know, a white case, white and black case, but I got the standard black case, painted that inside there pink to match this guy.